After doing our tests on our device here, we got 210.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, the front camera, 210.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Hey everybody, it's Chris here. Today we're going to be looking at the Dr. Infrared Portable Space Heater. If you want to take a deeper look into this product, you will find a link in the description below. It is a 1500 watt portable space heater. Here's the retail packaging and boxing. Let's take it out and take a look at it. So I've got everything unboxed and on the table for you guys. Firstly, let's start with the product literature, which has the safety information, the customer warranty, the registration card, as well as the user manual. The user manual is complete with product features as well as important instructions and QR codes, as well as the company's contact address line. And also we have the included 2 AAA batteries used for the remote control for the product, which you can insert right here on the back. It also has the remote control, which has the plus and minus button for the heater, the power button, the timer button, as well as the mode setting button. And now we have the heater itself. Now let's take a look at that. Taking a look at the top of the product here, we have the built-in Cool Touch top, which is a nice wooded finish, as well as a sticker here that has any contact information if you have any questions. There's a contact number as well as an email, and there's also a QR code to register your product as well. And it also has a warning as well for you. Taking a look at the bottom of the product, there is 4 built-in wheels that come built in with the packaging as well. And as you can see, they do move pretty freely, and it is very portable if you'd like to move it around. And there is also a cable built into the bottom, which comes right out of the bottom, as you can see as well. Looking at the front of the product, we have all of the power controls here. We have the power button, which you can push on and off, standby button, which you can set standby mode. We have the temperature controls here, which you could decrease and increase the temperature. We have the mode button here, which you can switch between 3 different settings. Low mode, which is 1000 watts, high mode, which is 1500 watts, and eco mode, which cycles between 1500 and 1000 watts. It also has an electronically powered screen, which shows you the setting for which you are on, as well as the temperature that you are set on. It has a nice metal finish here as well. And there's also a nice wooded finish around the top of it as well. Now looking at the back of the product, there is an air filter right here that you can actually remove out of it and clean if you would like to. It says to clean it about once a month. If you get too much dust and particles stuck in there, you can clean it by vacuum. Just take it out, vacuum it real quick, and stick it right back in there. It'll be good to go. And there's also a sticker here with any precautions that it would like you to know in case of a risk of electrical shock. There's also the power cable that comes right out of the back here as well. Here's a look at the finish on the right hand side. And here's a look at the finish on the left hand side. So I've got the heater all plugged in and set up for you guys. Here I'm going to show you how the power controls work. So if I go ahead and click on the power button, it'll automatically set the heater into standby mode until you click a mode to set it in. So if we go into eco mode, it'll automatically start on 68, and that cycles between 1500 watts and 1000 watts. You click it again and that'll go down to high mode, which is 1500 watts. Click it again, it'll go into low mode, and you can adjust the temperature settings here as well. You see it can go up all the way to 85, and we can cycle all the way back down to 65 if we would like. Here we also have a remote that came with it, so we can control it from that as well. We can set the mode button, set it on to high, set it on to low, set it on to eco, as well as control the temperature settings as well. You can raise it and lower it. And we can also control the power as well. Well, you might be asking, what happens if my heater tips over? The good thing about this heater is that it has built-in tip over protection. So if we turn the heater on right now and set it in a power mode, you can hear it start heating there. Now once it tips over to a certain angle, the heater will automatically shut off, which is a good feature about this product. Now you might be wondering, how hot does this unit get? Well, we set it to its highest setting on 1500 watt and also turn the temperature up to 85. And after doing our tests on our device here, we got 210.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, the front camera, 210.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Now if you're wondering how loud this unit gets, we maxed out at a decibel level of 52 decibels. That is set on its max setting, which is high mode at 1500 watts, and also the temperature turned up to 85. Now they advertise 39 decibels, but that might just be a difference in tools that they use or the environment that they have tested in. But we got an average, I would say, of around 50 decibels. If you're looking for a portable space heater that comes with the remote control and on wheels, be sure to check out the Dr. Infrared's portable space heater.